Joining us now with his top pre-owned car picks is our auto expert, Mike Caudill. Mike, walk us through what you got there on the lot.
Well, good morning, guys. We are here at Miracle Ford in Gallatin, Tennessee. And right now, as you noted, the sales numbers are looking good in the used car segment. They're up about 17%. The question is why? So right now, and I'm here at the dealership, you have two different types of vehicles that you can buy to protect yourself from getting a lemon. You can either buy a used vehicle, or in this case, and I'll bring you down here. Come on with me. I'll bring you down. You can get a certified pre-owned vehicle. So you can see it on the sign back there. When you come to a dealership, they're going to designate a certified pre-owned vehicle. That means it goes through a check system. There can be up to 240 different ways a dealer will check that vehicle. One of my top picks is actually this vehicle right here. Of course, last week, Ford Motor Company made big news with the all-new F-150. This is a 2008 edition of the F-150, and it's a great truck. It's utilitarian. It's meant for people to haul stuff. So people are looking to buy those vehicles. A couple other great picks for you. In the SUV category, I still love the Chevy Tahoe. The Chevy Tahoe is great because it's a nice, big family SUV, and you can get a great price on it. If you want sedans, I'll give you two. You can always go with a Honda Accord or a Toyota Camry. Those vehicles never lose their residual value, and they are some of the safest and best put together vehicles on the road as well. So if you're looking to buy a vehicle, you can always go to a dealership and find a certified pre-owned vehicle. If that doesn't fit you, then you can always look at older vehicles on the dealership lot. Now, here's one thing to take into consideration. Why are these vehicles CPO? They're usually vehicles that come out of a lease. So people buy a vehicle under lease and they have it for 3 years, and then they return it in for a new vehicle, which means there's plenty of vehicles here on the dealership showroom floor for you to take a look at. And that's why right now is a great time to buy a car if you need one.
Hey, Mike, let me ask you just a little advice on the used car buying. And it's a pretty general question, but is there a number of years going back that you want to look at? You're like, well, you mentioned a 2008 Ford F-150. Is that too far going back? Is it 5 years, or does it matter?
Griff, that is such a great question. And I was asked that yesterday here in Tennessee. Somebody had asked me about buying cars. I actually say you can go back almost 10 years because vehicles today are just built so much better than they were 15, 20 years ago. But if you want a CPO vehicle that is certified by a dealership, you're going to go back about 3 years. So you really want to be somewhere around 2017, 2018 to get that vehicle that is still in its sweet spot as far as mechanically sound.
Thanks so much, Mike. We really appreciate it. Some great cars on the lot there. Have a great day.